Right now, while you are using your computer, Windows might be silently uploading your files to the cloud, your documents, your videos, even your private photos, being synced to Microsoft servers automatically. And here is what most people do not realize. This is turned on by default. Now, your first instinct is to uninstall OneDrive. Do not. That is the biggest mistake you can make, because Windows will reinstall it during the next update, and everything turns back on again. Instead, I will show you how to shut it down properly, without losing your files, and without it coming back. Step 1. Secure your files. Before we disable anything, we need to make sure your files are actually saved on your computer, because Windows sometimes shows placeholders, not real files. So if you skip this step, your files can disappear. Here is what to do. First, we need to open OneDrive settings. You can do this in a few ways. If you see the cloud icon, go to the bottom right of your screen. Click the cloud icon. Click the gear icon, then click Settings. If you do not see it, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and open it. Then the cloud icon will appear at the bottom right side of your screen. Or, in File Explorer, click OneDrive on the left. Right-click inside the folder, and click Settings. Now, inside Settings, click Sync and Backup. Scroll down, click Advanced Settings. Find Files, On Demand. Click Download all files. Then continue. Now, pause here. You will start seeing small sync icons on your folders. That means files are downloading. Do not continue until it finishes. Once the icons turn into solid check marks, your files are fully saved on your computer. Step 2. Stop the sync. Now that your files are safe, let us stop the syncing. Go to Settings, then click Manage Backup. You will see folders like Documents, Pictures, Desktop, Music, and Videos. Toggle Backup off for each one. When prompted, select Stop Backup. Then choose Only on this PC to keep your files. Step 3. Unlink your account. Now, we remove OneDrive completely. Go to the Account tab. Click Unlink this PC. You will see a warning. Ignore it, because your files are already saved. Click Unlink Account. Now, your PC is disconnected from OneDrive. Step 4. Stop it from coming back. Most tutorials stop here, but this is where it comes back later. Let us shut it down completely. Right-click your taskbar. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. Find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click it and click Disable. Step 5. Disable hidden triggers. Now for the hidden part, open the Start menu, search Control Panel, and open it. Search Task Scheduler, and open it. Click Task Scheduler Library. Find the OneDrive folder inside. You will see background tasks. Right-click, and disable all of them. Step 6. Final shutdown. Now click the cloud icon. Right-click it. Quit OneDrive. Then restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, no OneDrive running, no background syncing, no silent uploads, and your files exactly where they should be, on your computer. And since we did not uninstall it, Windows will not try to bring it back. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more simple, straight to the point tech guides. And if you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment. I will help you out. See you in the next one.